In this video, I will show you how to render in Adobe Premiere Pro. We'll add our video clip here. As we can see here, the yellow line. It means that the video clip is at its original form. Let's take a look. This is the original video clip, which is it is not playing smoothly. To render this video clip, select it. Go to Sequence and click Render In to Out. The yellow line from earlier turns to green. It means it was already fixed or rendered, and the video clip is already playing smoothly. And that's it. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell so that you get notified for our new uploaded videos. See you next time!